beetles, frogs, fruit, cereal, dog biscuits, and even poop.
And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Happy holidays, Sea Lions, and welcome to a special edition of the Sea Lion Splash. In this episode, we're going to share some great holiday wishes from some of our top scholars. We'll also announce the Raw Contest Award winners, which I'm very excited about, and we'll talk about setting goals for the future. Friends, this is going to be a short episode, but I just want to leave you with a few words. The first is that there's nothing more beautiful than giving the gift of kindness. The first thing is that it makes someone's heart feel so much better. They really appreciate when they're being treated with kindness. The second thing is kindness doesn't cost any money. You can go ahead and just be thoughtful and aware of what's happening around you and say some kind words, and it could really change the world. So friends, before you go into the new year, I want to challenge you to try some acts of kindness so that you can brighten someone's winter holiday. All right, Sea Lions, let's check out what we have in store for you.
Thank you.
Get ready, Sea Lions, for this week's announcements.
A few months ago, we announced the Raw Contest. It was an extension of our PBIS program where we asked all of our top scholars to go home and write down all the different ways that they can be responsible, aware, and honorable with the people they love and see the most, their parents and family members. So friends, we went through a giant stack of contest submissions to finally narrow it down to one winner in each grade level. And here they are. In kindergarten, we want to say congratulations to Dara Lee, who wrote that he can be responsible by cleaning the house and keeping his room clean. He says that he can be aware of the things that he does, both for himself and for his brother. And he also said that he can be honorable by sharing his toys and being nice to everybody. Way to go, Dara. Our winner in first grade is Arabella Flores. She writes that she can be responsible by packing her own snacks for school and picking up her clothes and putting it in the hamper. That's a great way to help out your family, Arabella. Congratulations. I'm excited to announce that our winner in second grade is Mason Nguyen. He says that he can be aware by noticing how people feel and understanding the things that they like. He also writes that he can be kind to his family and help someone up if he's noticed that they've fallen down. Way to go, Mason. Thanks for being a peacekeeper at home and at school. Our winner for third grade is none other than Molly Gregory. Molly says that she can be honorable by never lying and always telling the truth. She wants to be respectful to everybody, and she also wants to help out and be responsible by putting away her laundry and helping out with the dishes. Thanks so much, Molly. Our winner for fourth grade is Ava Murphy, a student that feels like she can be aware by paying attention to the things that are going around them. She also says that she can be honorable by just being a good person. What a wonderful concept. Thanks so much, Ava. Our winner for fifth grade is, No. Well, I guess if it was that good. Friends, the winner for fifth grade didn't put their name on the paper. So if you know who this person is, please let us know so we can honor them and their contribution to our contest in the best possible way. The mystery person says that they can be honorable by being kind and treating others equally. I love that whole idea of making sure that you are treating others the way you want to be treated. Thanks so much, mystery fifth grader. I hope we're able to figure out who you are in the new year.
Hi, my name is Keller. Hi, my name is Nicholas. And we wish you a happy holidays. Have fun, Sea Lions. Bye. Hi, my name is Gunnar, and I hope you have a wonderful family vacation. Bye.
Hi, my name is Joey,
Hi, my name is Julie.
and we want to wish you an amazing holiday break. Bye.
Hi, my name is Serenity. I hope you have a wonderful vacation. Bye. Hello, my name is Charlie. Hello, my name is Caroline. Hello, my name is Avery. Hello, my name is Owen. And we wish you a happy holiday. Ramadan. Hi, my name is Daya.
And my name is Rennie. This new year, we want to learn long division.
Happy New Year, Sea Lions.
Bye.
There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.
See you next year. Bye.